welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving and some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which hormone is released by the small intestine to stimulate pancreatic secretion? A. Gastrin. B. Secretin. C. Cholecystokinin. And D. Insulin. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which process describes the movement of food through the digestive tract by rhythmic contraction? A. Digestion. B. Absorption. C. Peristalsis. And D. Secretion. So the correct option is C. Peristalsis. Which condition is characterized by the formation of pouches in the wall of the colon? A. Crohn's disease. B. Ulcerative colitis. D. Diverticulitis. And D. IBS. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which structure prevents the entry of food into the trachea during swallowing? A. Epiglottis. B. Olva and D larynx and C larynx D glottis. So the correct option is epiglottis. Which type of carbohydrate is not digested by human enzymes and provides dietary fibers? A. Starch. B. Glycogen. C. Cellulose. D. Sucrose. So the correct option is C. Cellulose. Which condition results from the erosion of the lining of the stomach or duodenum? A. GERD. B. Gastritis. C. Peptic ulcer disease. And D. Celiac disease. So the correct option is C. Peptic ulcer disease. Which organ store bile produced by the liver? A. Pancreas. B. Gallbladder. C. Small intestine. D. Stomach. So the correct option is B. Gallbladder. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for the fermentation of indigestible carbohydrates? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Pancreas. So the correct option is C. Large intestine. Which condition is characterized by the inability to properly absorb nutrients due to damage to the belly and the small intestine? A. Celiac disease. B. IBS. C. Crohn's disease. D. Ulcerative colitis. So the correct option is A. Which nutrient is primarily absorbed in the large intestine? A. Proteins. B. Fats. C. Water. D. Carbohydrates. So the correct option is C. Water. Thanks for joining me. I hope these mdcat MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying. I stay tuned for more practice video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.